Well, good morning, folks. This is me, Jose. It's Friday. I'm running to work, and well, this is the first time that I take the bike out to work this week because it's very simple. The sky has opened and the water has fallen. Yes, it's raining. And I got wet a couple of times doing my pedal exercise. But it's been very fun actually. We needed the water, so we needed the rain. It's a blessing. It is so funny to see these guys with the small bikes trying to race big bags. I don't know why, this will continue until they fix one road that is blocked. So let's wait for a month, or I don't know, more than that maybe, who knows. These people getting out of the way, but you have to be very careful. You see how people cut into the line? That is dangerous.
I have to